Hi, I'm Rudy Bartle, a dietitian and co-author of New South Wales Health's Caring for Children, birth to 5 years. If you've ever wondered if your early childhood education care service menu is nutritionally adequate, or fret about having your centre's menu checked by others for accreditation, then fret no more. We've made it easy for you with our 12-step menu assessment video. In only a few minutes, you'll be able to tell if your menu complies with the nutrition checklist found in Caring for Children, giving you the peace of mind that children are getting the required 50% of their everyday nutritional needs while in your care. The video walks you through the process, checking whether the menu provides enough iron, fruit and vegetables, breads and cereals, dairy and protein foods. Real bonus, not just for cooks but all educators anxious about providing the best nutrition for the children at your centre. What's more, if you're a health worker, you'll be able to use the video to help you guide through the process of assessing the menus of early childhood centres in your area. I've assessed hundreds of childcare menus, and trust me, if you're involved in providing food in childcare, you'll want to check it out. The video can be found on the Central Coast Local Health District Health Promotion website at healthpromotion.com.au/munchmove, or check out the link in the description on the video. We hope you find it useful.